The ultimate My Personal Loan Review tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're thinking about borrowing money, most people get this wrong by choosing loans with hidden fees or high interest rates. The surprising truth about My Personal Loans is that they offer transparent, flexible, and fast lending options, making them ideal for emergencies, personal projects, or consolidating debt. First, apply online. You won't believe how simple it is. Fill out a short application with your basic personal details and financial information. My evaluates your eligibility almost instantly, so you don't have to wait days like traditional banks. Next, review loan terms carefully. Most people get this wrong by skimming fine print. My clearly shows interest rates, repayment schedules, and any processing fees upfront. Understanding these details helps you avoid surprises and plan your budget effectively. Once approved, funds are transferred quickly. The surprising truth is that you can often receive money within 24 hours directly to your bank account. This speed makes My ideal for urgent expenses. Finally, manage repayments. You won't believe how easy it is. My offers multiple repayment options, including online transfers and auto debit, helping you stay on track and maintain a good credit record. Keeping up with payments also ensures eligibility for future loans with better terms. In conclusion, My Personal Loans can take you from zero to pro in managing personal finance. By applying online securely, understanding terms, receiving funds quickly, and staying consistent with repayments, you can handle financial needs responsibly. The key is to borrow wisely, stay informed, and plan ahead to maximize the benefits of this convenient lending solution.